Ka wadhi nyime wayudo ni Ogai mar obila e yor kojolo Gilbert Masengeli ong'adne twech mar dweche 6 jela kaluwore ni osebedo ka obuono chike mag doho. Jang'ad buche e doho ma Kilimani Lawrence Mugambi ochiko mondo Masengeli ochiwre ne komisona jener madoho e ndalo 7 mar chako twech mare. Masengeli osebedo ka idwaro e doho mondo oduok penjo wi lal jo Kenya 3 mane obila olalgo e kar dak ma Kitengela. Kata kamano kinde duto ok osebedo ka ochopo e mbele doho no. Mugambi ogolo chik mondo kaponi ok ochiwre to jatend migawo mar arita Kithure Kindiki oneni otwe jela kaluwore kod chik mar doho.
Court entered a finding of guilty on the 9th of September 2004 after all efforts afforded to the contemner to purge the content were ignored. This was to ensure its authority and dignity, which it is exercised on behalf of the public, does not get annihilated, leading to a situation of impunity and anarchy. The constitution of this country is supreme, and Article 2.1 reiterates that by stating that it binds all persons and all state organs. No man or state organ or authority is above the Constitution. The Constitution command through this court is that I uphold the rule of law by protecting the integrity of the judicial system. The significance of this sentence today is to vindicate the cherished principle of the rule of law in our constitutional democracy by restoring the dignity and the authority of this court in public interest. Borrowing from the South African Constitutional Division, the contemner shall serve sentence as follows. The contemner, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli, is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. Mr. Masengeli is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed. In the event that he does not submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prison Service as ordered, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Interior must take all steps that are necessary and permissible in law to ensure Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is committed to prison to commence serving the sentence imposed on him.